Pause the video and write down what percentage means. So percentage means out of 100. So if we have a fraction, like 15%, that means 15 out of 100 or 15 over 100. And then common practice is to simplify. So divide the numerator and the denominator by 5 and you get 3/20. Pause the video and have a go at examples 5 and 6. Example 5, express 36% as a fraction. So 36% means 36 out of 100. I can then simplify that. I can divide by 2, or I can spot a larger factor of 4. If I divide 36 by 4, I get 9. And then divide 100 by 4, and I get 25. Example 6. Express 7/25 as a percentage. So we've got to go backwards this time and try to get it to be out of 100, because a percentage is out of 100. So a wee bit like example 5 actually, you can see to get from 25 to 100, you'd have to multiply by 4. So multiply the 7 by 4 and you get 28. So 28 out of 100 is the same as 28%. They are equivalent.